Good evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to tonight's weather report. I'm focused over Panjuba with a bit of cloud over the southern parts of the country. But as we get into Africa Day, we're expecting warmer conditions over much of the country, with today having a bit of cloud over those southern areas covering Matabele South and Masvingo. The northern parts was rather cold in the morning, but it became warmer by afternoon as the winds that were over the north, which were very strong, were cooling out much of the atmosphere. But as we get into the weekend, we're expecting those winds to die down, giving us less in terms of wind strength across board. For the cloud cover that was over the south, we're expecting that to also fade away, as indicated here in our satellite image. This white color that you see is the clouds fading off over those eastern parts of the country. As we get into the weekend, we're expecting mostly clear skies, and this should give rise to warmer conditions as we get into Africa Day. For tonight, however, we're still expecting clouds over those southern parts, making it rather cold overnight, but by afternoon we're expecting more clear skies, with most of the temperatures rising slightly over those southern parts. Bulawayo is projected to have a maximum of 21 degrees, rising from 10 in the morning, but on Sunday it falls to about 8 degrees, so it should be rather cold over Matopo as well. We're expecting 9 in the morning on Sunday, and it rises to 22. Gwanda also at 9 in the morning on Sunday and on Saturday, but they both rise slightly as we get into Monday. And for Mogweri, we're expecting our maximums to also gradually increase as we get into Monday, whilst Masvingo also follows that suit of rising temperatures, but the minimums are falling slightly on Sunday. So it should be cold on Sunday, but it warms up as the day progresses. So if you happen to want to be out and about, the afternoons are very comfortable to have your time with the family. For Marondo, we're expecting a maximum of 21 on Sunday, 22 for Harare, rising from a morning temperature about 8 degrees, which is in the single cold digits. Same for Kwekwe, we're expecting to be rather cold in the morning because of the clearance that is happening over much of the country. For Chinhoyi, we're expecting 9 in the morning on Sunday, 9 also for Lupane. So if you happen to be going out, just delay for a few hours and it should be warmer enough to go out and be about on Sunday. For Karibu, expecting it to be in the mild category for much of the morning. Same for Bindura, rather in the cool category, but it rises by afternoon into the warm category. That's all for our weather and forecast. It's been a pleasure, Zimbabwe. I'm James Kamajinya for the Met Department.